Hello! Today we are going to draw a crocodile. Don't worry, it's a baby crocodile. A cute baby crocodile. We can draw from a circle in this way, then its body and its mouth. Oops. Sorry. Yes. It's so much easy to draw because we're applying all the methods which are easy. Its nostrils, we can erase this part. Now we'll mark it with deep marker. Its leg, two legs from one side. Its sharp teeth. Its spike. Oh, spikes on its whole body. Its big eyes. Is it angry or smiling? Oh, who cares? Whatever. Let's start coloring. As it's of green color, so I will applying green. It's the body. We'll apply different green color again and again in 2 or 3 times. It's another green. Because only one color is boring, so we can use 2 or 3 colors to gain a perfect texture or a better texture. A light sap green. It's ready to swim.